Welcome back. The Vashi island has become a homeland for national bird peacock. Island near Diwade is experiencing a strange phenomena. Peacocks in dozens are getting attracted to this island. Abundance of vegetation and less population on this island are the reasons behind this. Locals say almost 20 peacocks, peahens and their young ones have made this island their home. Locals also feed these peacocks at their homes and in their gardens. See this unique story of Vashi. Watch Rakesh Kandolkar's report.
Look at these visuals. Peacocks are flying on the top of houses in Vashi. Sometimes they even climb on top of tree branches. Now see this. Another peacock is roaming on the streets of Vashi. It's not afraid of humans. In fact, you can feed them with cereals and other food stuff. This island has become a true home for more than a dozen of peacocks, peahens as they are young. This Vashi island lies near Diwade and it takes 2 ferry boats to reach this island. First ferry one has to catch to Diwade and second from Diwade to Vashi. Due to this hardship, many people from Vashi have migrated to other places and island is now less inhabited. Peacocks freely roam here and they expect villagers to feed them like any other domestic animal. Have a look at this. Most of these peacocks are said to have migrated from Shorao to this small island. Locals are also happy as their island is homeland of a national bird.
इतके मोर विशेष मोर येता कित्या खातीर इतके मोर येता चड
मोर येता म्हणजे एक तो मोर येयलो न्ही ते मागीर तो रडपाक लागलो म्हणजे सगळे येवपाक लागले आयलँडा वयले शहरांसावन हिंगा येता ते शहरांचे थिंगासर हिंगा येता
आनी तुमी थंय जेवण बीन घालता
जेवण बी तांकां घालता आमी.
Last year there were agitation in Vashi against a proposed project, but this year it seems peacocks have won the hearts of locals from Vashi. Rakesh Kandolkar for Vashi for Prudent Media.
The Central Observer for Goa NCP Sandesh Konvilkar has refused any change in NCP state leadership, at least for now. He addressed media on Sunday. He also informed party's plan throughout the year.
कुजबूजमध्ये सुद्धा काही माहिती आली. अगोदरही यापूर्वी कुजबूजमध्ये येत होतं. त्याच्यात एक भर किंवा नेतृत्व बदल करणार का, नेतृत्वात बदल होईल का, तर असा काही आज प्रकार आम्ही करणार नाही आहोत. आहे तीच कमिटी घेऊन आम्ही कामाला सुरुवात करणार आहोत.
Nationalist Congress Party is now concentrating on party's membership drive.
1 जून ते 5 जून पर्यंत उत्तर गोवा आणि दक्षिण गोवा याची कमिटी निवडून येईल आणि 10 जून स्थापने दिवशी गोवा प्रदेशाचे अध्यक्ष आणि कार्यकारिणी ही निवडली जाईल. असा हा आमचा सदस्य नोंदणीचा कार्यक्रम आहे.
A video journalist from Panji Dinesh Karpe.
No signboards at the bypass road at Nuve has become a reason of worry for the locals. They claim that the main aim of the bypass was to divert and regulate traffic flow, but absence of signboards has failed to fulfill the aim. A citizen journalist report.
मडगावचो आणि हांगा पणजे हायवेचे लोक सगळे हांगच्यान वता. इवन टुरिस्ट व्हेकल्स येता, व्हडले व्हडले ट्रक येता हांगा. सो नॉर्मली हांगा एक सायनबोर्ड जाय. कित्याक 3 रस्ते एक कडेन जाल्ले आसतना हांगा कितें जाता, ट्रॅफिक जाम जालें जाल्यार लोकांक त्रास जाता, फाटल्यान आयिल्ले गाडी जाता, सगळ्याक प्रॉब्लेम जाता. सो म्हगे एक मागणी की बाबा हांगा तुमी बोर्ड घालचे आनी जे ट्रॅफिक डायवर्ट जावपा जाता तें तांकां लोकांक कळचें म्हणून. आवटसायडर व्हेकलाक खूब त्रास जाता. बायपास रोडाक खूब त्रास जाता. नॉर्मल हांगा लोकल लोकांक खबर आसता, पूण जे येता हायवे म्हणटरी चारी वाटेंतल्यान लोक येतात न्ही, तांकां कळचें म्हणून म्हगेले वाहतूक खात्या कडेन एक मागणी. सायनबोर्ड घालप बरो. सायनबोर्ड घालशिवाय प्रत्येकाक हांगा कोणाक म्हणून हायवेचेर रावन विचारतलो.
Our reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.